Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. FastAPI is a modern web framework for building APIs with Python 3.7 plus based on standard Python type hints. One of the powerful features of FastAPI is its support for data validation and serialization using Pydantic models. Pydantic uses Python's type annotations to validate data and provide helpful error messages. What are annotated types? Annotated types in Python allow you to attach metadata to type hints. This can be useful for various purposes, such as specifying additional validation rules or constraints. FastAPI leverages this feature to enhance data validation and provide better documentation. Using Pydantic with FastAPI. FastAPI uses Pydantic models to validate request and response data. You can define data models using standard Python data types and add validation by using Pydantic's features. Step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Install FastAPI and Unicorn. If you haven't installed FastAPI and Unicorn, you can do so using pip. Step 2. Create a Pydantic model. You can create a Pydantic model to define the structure of your data. Here's an example where we define a simple user model with some validation. Construction, a string constrained by length. Email str, a Pydantic type that validates the format of an email address. Step 3, create a FastAPI application. Now, let's create a FastAPI application that uses the user model to validate incoming data. Step 4, running the application. You can run the application with Unicorn. Make sure to replace your _module_ name with the name of your Python file, without the .py extension. Step 5, testing the API. You can use a tool like curl, Postman, or the interactive Swagger UI that FastAPI provides at http://127.0.0.1:8000/docs. Here's an example of a JSON request to create a user. Step 6, handling validation errors. If the data does not meet the validation criteria, FastAPI automatically returns a 422 unprocessable entity response with details about the validation errors. For example, if you send a request with an invalid email or a name that is too short, you will receive a response like this. Summary. Using FastAPI with Pydantic models allows for powerful data validation and serialization with minimal effort. Annotated types enhance the validation process by allowing you to specify constraints directly in your data models. Additional features. Pydantic also supports other features like nested models, default values, custom validators, enums for predefined choices. Feel free to explore these features to make your data validation even more robust. Example of nested models. Here's how you can define a nested model. Now, you can send a request that includes multiple addresses for the user. Conclusion. FastAPI, combined with Pydantic's annotated types, provides a powerful and flexible way to validate data in your APIs. This combination allows you to build reliable applications quickly and efficiently while ensuring that incoming data meets your expectations.